Welcome back guys to another video. That's your boy Luke. In this video today I'll show you how to make $1,000 with Amazon Flex every week. Make sure you follow all the tips I'm gonna share with you in this video. Let's get started right now. To make $1,000 with Amazon Flex every week, this is the first thing you need to do. You just go to your Amazon Flex app. Okay, it's loading. When you get to Amazon Flex app, you're gonna go where it says schedule. You're gonna click schedule and you're gonna click upcoming offers. When you get here, you're just gonna click where you say filter. Why I want you to go to the filter? Most people don't do it because they keep everything selected. How are you gonna able to pick up a good offer if you keep everything selected? Because they're gonna show you a bunch of offer available in the app and you're gonna know which one to pick. So it's easy to pick up two locations. If you want to do first store, first online, Whole Foods, Subs and Day, you have to make sure you pick up at least two locations. Don't pick up more than that. It's okay when you just started which location have better offer. You have to make sure you select one or two locations. In this video I'm gonna pick up Subs and Day. I want to do Subs and Day because they usually have high paying offer, and after I finish complete my blog, the time's up, they drop the money in my account and I can cash out this money anytime. So after you finish, click which one you want to do. Like I say, I'm just click Subs and Day. You're just gonna click where it says see result. After you click result, they're gonna show you a bunch of offer available right now in the app, but you're not gonna get good offer right now, especially recording this video at 9 o'clock, because right now everybody wake up. There's a lot of people on the app refreshing, and they use bot right now. Not everybody get caught with Amazon with the bot they use, so that's why you're probably not gonna get good offer. Too many competition right now. As you can see, you're only gonna see a regular offer. I don't want to do regular offer. Now I want to make sure I get paid over $100. Or to do that, to get black that gonna pay you over $100, there's some sacrifice you're gonna need to do. You need to set a schedule or set your alarm to work up 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Yes, 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. If you cannot do 2 o'clock in the morning, you have to do 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. You probably ask me why you want me to wake up 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. The reason why is the same reason I told you to not get regular offer. Early you wake up is less competition and better offer. You have to wake up early to make this money. If you want to get paid over $100 per block, you need to wake up early. I say it again. Wake up early, because you don't want to wake up 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, where everybody's wake up, they're refreshing the app, they use bot on the app, all this kind of thing they're using. So how are you gonna get a good offer? So the best thing to do is to wake up early in the morning. Things about wake up early in the morning: when you get your block schedule early in the morning, you finish early, you can get another block again. That's why it's better to wake up in the morning. Wake up in the morning not only to get offer in the same day, you can schedule your block for the next days as well, and that's gonna pay you good money. If you follow these three things I just talk about, choose a location, and after choose a location, choose the type of offer you want to do. I go with same day, and make sure that you wake up early in the morning, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, to schedule a good block. There is no way you're not gonna make $1,000 per week. And the last thing, make sure you're able to stay in the app. So many people act like stupid. They keep throwing people package and take a picture. No, you better stop doing this. Especially right now, everybody got camera in the front door. You have to make sure that you carefully drop the package in front of the door and make sure you take a good clean picture. A picture where the package appear in the house number as well appear in the picture, so you cover your ASS in case something happened. They got proof you dropped the package in this location. And another thing, if you're gonna drop package in a business building, they close, just bring the package back, say the business closed. Don't drop in the front and take a picture. Anybody working in this area can steal it. Don't do that, because that's no good. You don't want people complaining that they didn't receive this package. That can get deactivated from the app. You want to make sure you stay in the app to make $1,000 every week. Make sure you grab my book. I put it in the comment section below. If you have any question, you feel free to write in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.